go.
Now, welcome back, everybody, to the show part 2. Actually, I didn't really say there was a part 2, but watch me do the part 2 this time, even more faster. Mom, do it, please. Can you time me? Tell me what you saw. Thank you. Now I'll do it. Dad. Mom, now. Ready, set, go. Again. Ready, set, go. Restart. Hey, restart. Okay, Mom. Do it again. Ready, set, go. I make mistakes all the time. Toby! Again. I hate this. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go.
What again?
I did a mistake. I know it. You don't need to tell me. You can rate this if you want to.